D's. You know your kitchen is getting smarter than your phone, and it can taste mistakes before you do. It sounds like science fiction, but it's happening right now. We're about to explore a world where your kitchen isn't just a place to cook, it's a data-driven command center for your health. Forget just looking up recipes online. Imagine your smart display not just showing you a recipe, but guiding you, step by step, adjusting timers, and even showing you video tutorials for tricky techniques in real time. It's like having a private cooking instructor right there on your countertop. But the real revolution is how this connects to you personally. The same wearable tech that tracks your steps and heart rate is now entering the kitchen. Think about it. Your smartwatch or fitness band knows your activity level, your calorie goals, and your hydration needs. Now, it can communicate directly with your kitchen. You finish a workout, and your smart fridge suggests a protein-rich smoothie and tells you exactly what ingredients you have. Your water bottle glows to remind you to drink, and the data syncs with your health app, giving you a complete picture of your daily intake. This is where the magic really happens. We're moving beyond simple convenience and into the realm of true culinary precision. One of the biggest game changers is the smart thermometer. No more guesswork, no more cutting into a beautiful roast to see if it's done. You insert the probe, select your desired doneness on an app, and your phone alerts you the second it reaches the perfect temperature. It's foolproof. You can be hosting a party, mingling with guests, and still cook a steak to a perfect medium rare without even being in the room. And it's not just small gadgets. Major appliances are all getting connected. Your oven preheats automatically based on the recipe you've selected on your tablet. Or smart coffee maker knows you just woke up because of your wearables' sleep data and starts brewing your favorite coffee exactly how you like it. Your dishwasher can be started from your phone when electricity rates are lowest. These devices talk to each other, creating a seamless automated ecosystem designed to make your life easier and your cooking better. So, why is this happening? Why are wearables moving from our wrists into our kitchens? Because we've realized that health and fitness aren't just about the gym. What you eat is arguably the most important part of the equation. By integrating our personal health data with our cooking environment, we gain an unprecedented level of control and insight. B's. It's no longer about just cooking a meal. It's about crafting nutrition that is perfectly tailored to your body's needs at that very moment. It's the ultimate fusion of culinary arts, health science, and home automation. Your kitchen becomes an active partner in your wellness journey. This tech can help manage dietary restrictions, track macronutrients for fitness goals, and ensure you're getting the right vitamins and minerals. For families, it can help plan balanced meals that everyone will enjoy. It takes the mental load off of planning and tracking, freeing you up to actually enjoy the process of creating and eating delicious food. The data that used to live in separate apps on your phone, your fitness app, your calorie counter, your recipe APIs, now converging into one intelligent system. So the next time you look at your kitchen, don't just see cupboards and appliances. See the future. A future where your environment adapts to you, helping you cook smarter, eat healthier, and live better. Smart kitchens don't just cook food, they coach, track, and upgrade your lifestyle. This isn't about replacing the joy of cooking, it's about enhancing it, removing the stress, and unlocking new possibilities for health and creativity. The smart kitchen is here, and it's ready to help you become the best version of yourself. Sue, thanks so much for watching. If you're excited about the future of tech and food, hit that like button and subscribe for more videos just like this. We'll see you in the next one.